Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to give you the quick comparison between the q20i with the live q30. So they are both having the high res and customized EQ, but with q20i you're gonna have also bass up. Now the active noise cancellation you have on both, but the live q30 is going to also offer you the multiple modes there. They're both offering transparency, Soundcore app, and they are both USB-C for the charging. And they got even the same playing time and say fast charging and connectivity. You have also NFC with the live q30. Then the calls, you have two mics. Here is going to only single mic, and recommended for, they have the similar things for recommendation. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share this like really quick video, the q20i live q30, what you need to know regards the specs. And yeah, thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.